Oh wow guys, Fran, holy shit. I know a couple of you were in this thing from a couple of weeks ago. This thing is up a lot. Just keeps going. Yeah, it looks amazing. Just last year, this thing had a 70% run. Had a multi-month run. And now it's in another multi-month run. This is what happens sometimes with these stocks that get super beaten down. Like people think, like funds etc., think they're gonna go bankrupt, and then when the evidence is out that they're probably not gonna go bankrupt, then they can have huge runs. This is why I'm looking at stuff like MNK, which I'm right now long, ENDP, Tiva, RRC that I'm stalking, AR. Like these stocks, like they all look like they're about to go bankrupt, but sometimes when these things catch Momo, they double, triple, quadruple in no time. And sometimes they move even more explosively than the best growth stocks. So this is why I'm always stalking these kinds of names. You don't even need to know the fundamentals, you just need to see the trend. Like I know the fundamentals are shit. I don't even need to look. I can see from the chart that this company is in big trouble. They probably have a lot of debt, losing a lot of money, etc., etc. Yeah, Fran is a monster, and this is what you always want to keep an eye on. Stocks that have, the bigger the first leg higher, the bigger the second leg higher is gonna be. So let's say the first leg higher is 50%, and then it goes sideways, flags, puts in higher lows, all the usual stuff. I mean, the second leg higher could easily be another 50%. But if you're trading a slow moving stock, if the first leg higher is 10%, I mean, the second leg higher is probably not gonna be 50%, if you understand what I mean. You want the strongest names. And sometimes it's the stocks that have gone up the most that are going to keep going up the most. But yeah, Fran is just too thin. I mean, it's hard to buy more than a couple thousand shares. Now, if you look at the chart, on the daily chart, this one actually is trying to reclaim this declining 100-day moving average. And after that, there's really an air pocket up to 10 bucks. So if it reclaims this, it could have another 25% move easily. Yeah, and on the weekly chart looks even better. You see this 20 period weekly yellow line that's been acting as a resistance area for over a year. It just reclaimed it. It's just about to reclaim this as a big air pocket. Look at what happened here a couple of years ago. It reclaimed the declining moving average. Boom, up 42% in a couple of weeks. And that's after being up 50 or like over 50% from the lows. So these things can be very explosive, these beaten down names. Absolutely.